Today marks a truly special occasion as distinguished leaders from Bowling Green State University, USA has come for a MoU sign-up that will pave a path for an exciting exchange program with our university and theirs.
I think it's very exciting. I've been so impressed with your faculty and your students and the interaction. I think by sharing ideas and different perspectives, and I notice how different we are but the same, and we're all so excited to be able to interact with your students. I've been very impressed, so I can see that we'll all just be able to learn from each other and grow together, which I think is a very exciting prospect.
We are two institutions which are very similar in terms of our goals and our value systems, and I think about that in terms of the emphasis your Chancellor has made on experiential learning, cross-cultural awareness, understanding critical thinking. So I think from that standpoint, the global partnership allows for different pathways.
Students studying in SNU and then studying in BGSU get to learn the culture, the system, the new techniques, and so many other things also. Our students coming here and learning something different. Get them to be more qualified to work in this global environment now. Looking forward to see your students in our classroom, our students in your classroom here, and everybody's learning. We work with industry very closely. I see your students working in industry as well, so very excited about it.